Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a modern browser or Spck app, and a basic project template. Once done, create a new project and select HTML/CSS/JS to get immediate file structure. Make sure to enable file sync in the live server so your changes reload automatically. Initialize a README and set the default editor preferences. This saves time later. You'll now have a workspace ready with index, HTML, style, CSS, and main. JS, you'll work with split view so you see code and preview side by side. That immediate feedback shortens edit test cycles. Once set, add linting and auto format on save to keep code consistent and run npm or git commands from the embedded terminal when needed. Make sure to organize files into components, assets, and styles, and use ES modules to keep imports tidy. When you refactor, update relative paths and refresh the live preview to confirm functionality. To finish, run your build or export task and test across device modes to verify responsiveness and performance. Once stable, commit your changes, push to the remote repo, and document any breaking changes in the project notes. If something goes wrong, check the browser console for stack traces and network failures. Disable editor extensions that might interfere and revert recent edits if needed. Remember to restart the live server after fixes to clear cached modules and confirm the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.